Hi guys, welcome back to another video from the Audiofile-Incar. So I've got a Jaguar XE here, which we've just completed the Meridian audio upgrade in, and my customer pointed out that he hadn't seen one of these in a YouTube video, so that's what we're doing right now. So as you know, we really work hard on this Meridian audio upgrade pack. So for all of the Jaguar Land Rover vehicles, we've got solutions now. And in fact, if you scroll through the playlist, Land Rover Jaguar upgrades, you will see videos of pretty much every model that Land Rover Jaguar make, where we've upgraded the audio. So our audio upgrades for these models are not super high end, they're not flaky, they are rock solid, bulletproof audio upgrades to make your Jaguar Land Rover car with Meridian audio sound way better than it did when you bought it. So in the XE here, obviously we have performed the full soundproofing system. So we strip the door right down, we soundproof all the various layers of the door before we reassemble it. We spend a whole day doing that. It's extremely important. It gets rid of the resonance, it gets rid of the rattles, which these cars are so famous for, and it sorts out the acoustics within the door. That allows the woofer to work way better, becomes more efficient, it gets rid of all that vibration and produces way more mid-bass, which is what we're looking for. In this particular model, just like the new Defender, we've found the mid-bass unit to be lacking. So in a lot of the cars that use an 8-inch driver, which we can get away without changing. Obviously it's a benefit to change it depending on your budget. But in the XE you really need to change it. It's only got a little 6.5-inch paper cone driver there. So we've replaced that with an Audison driver. We've then replaced the Meridian mid-range with an Audison Voce 3-inch mid. And we've replaced a tweeter in the top of the dash with the Audison Voce AV 1.1 tweeter. This is a great tweeter, and actually the location there is not bad at all. It's pointing up a little bit, looks pretty funky, nothing obstructing them, no grill problems or anything like that. As always, we're working with the factory head unit, we don't change that, and we're using the Meridian amplifier to drive the front speakers. We are adding a subwoofer level control. Let's see if we can find that. So, little subwoofer level controller there, that's just used to alter the level of the subwoofer. The result of our upgrade is a much cleaner, brighter, more detailed front end, no vibration, nice punchy mid-bass. It's a massive difference. Going around to the back end of the car, with all of the Meridian upgrade packs, we upgrade the subwoofer. Now in some vehicles the subwoofer can be hidden, in some vehicles it can't. In this vehicle it can't, because you've got a spare wheel under here. So here we've got the JL Audio CP108 subwoofer. It's driven from a XD 301 digital amplifier. This sub is completely removable, but we've managed to keep it over to one side, so the 60-40 split seat, you can still fold that down. Now I thought in here I would show you the drivers which have come out of the car. It's quite interesting. There's your woofer, paper cone, very flimsy, plasticky obviously. That's the back of it, pretty pathetic looking thing really. These are the mids. That's the back of the mid, and these are the tweeters that were up on top of the dash. It's a fairly sad looking thing, as you can see. So looks aren't everything. You can't always tell how a speaker's going to sound by the way it looks, but it just gives you an indication of the build quality of these drivers. It's pretty lacking. So there you go, another Jaguar with the Audiofile-Incar Meridian upgrade package. It's sounding great, it's been handed over in the morning. Looking forward to seeing the customer. Don't forget, if you're into your car audio or you're into your Jaguar Land Rovers, give our channel a follow, because we're posting tons of stuff just like this and you may well find it interesting. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.